Hello guys, how to make $1,000 per month on Fiverr in 2021. In this video, I will tell you about all the steps, all the information you need to make $1,000 starting from this month. And you listen right. And I made this channel to give you honest and best knowledge for you. And all you need to take is take action. And guys, listen, if I give you honest advice like location of a gold mine and you didn't stand up and you don't run to that gold mine, you can't get gold from that. Simple. You have to take action. So guys, we are on my computer screen. What are the steps in doing this? And first of all, we will be creating a gig, and that will be our business card, and it is very hot in demand, and will sell like hotcakes, and businessman will approach you and pay and order you. And then second step of ours will be creating business cards, and I will show you step by step how to create business cards. And then we will be third step will be driving traffic to it. So these are the steps. I will go through all these steps and exactly do it for you. And now earning potential. So you can see on my laptop screen here we are on Fiverr, and search for business card, and I opened these 3 or 4 gigs in different tabs. And guys, look at these orders in queue. Look at the amount, guys. These all are making almost $15 every gig, and almost this gig is 11 in queue, and you can almost easily make $100 per day if you are on level 2 or level 1. In the beginning you will be not making the $100 per day, but you can make, and you have to believe and you have to apply action. From first month you can get sales, because this is a very lucrative gig, because businessmen need business cards and they are very hot in demand. And if you make 2 gigs orders one day, and you can easily make 900 per month, and you will make. So let's get into our next step. So guys, we are on my computer screen. We have photojet and canva.com, 2 websites that are expert in graphic designing, and there are a lot of templates for you to choose from, and they have business cards and a lot of other options. And they have free in free version there are a lot of templates for you to start with, but I will recommend you, if you are going for long term, then you must purchase premium version, and I will post a link to them. So they made this one sample from a random website. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, because I am giving you real value, and hit the like button, because if you are another thing, I will please tell me if this thing work ever. If and in coming part 2 video I will tell you how to make this business card. I have made these pictures, I have taken these pictures from Fiverr. And now bonus traffic strategy I will show you. Guys, please, if you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, do subscribe. Why are you waiting for? I will be sharing you the best working potential methods. So what is this traffic method? So this traffic method is getting ranked on Google first page. As we know, if we rank on Google, and there are companies that spend $1,000 on ranking on Google. This is how much important is Google ranking. So I will show you how you can utilize Google ranking for your benefit, and I will show you how this works. And we will type best software for making YouTube thumbnail. I was searching for one, and you can see Canva is top, guys.
Now we will go down and down, and here you can see guys, I already clicked that. I figure out this method accidentally while I was searching. So guys, we are opening this page. It is on one, right? So guys, I will tell you, please be sure, be take action guys. If you didn't take action, my whole video purpose will get lost, because this only action can make you make your success guys. This method has potential. This method has potential to make $1,000 per month for you. All you have to do is to take action, and you have to believe that you can do this. Guys, nobody is giving this honest advice. I know, because mostly people tell you gigs that doesn't work, like convert word to pdf, or some type of gigs that are very common, and they don't have potential. But this gig, business card gig, has a lot of potential. And in part 2, in coming videos, I will show you how you can create a beautiful business card using those two, photojet and canva.com service. Here you can see he had linked his fiverr account, and I will click on this. This is loading up guys, and you can see here this is the same gig. And in this way you can also utilize this strategy for increasing your sales. All guys, this is not the alone, this is not the single strategy I am going to show. I will make a complete video on that. It is only a part. Look, 1k views. It is only a part of the strategy I found out. So I think this is better to share with you. This is not the full traffic strategy. I will show you bigger strategies of driving traffic to your gigs. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.